Prime Minister Narendra Modi has underscored the need to develop villages as the first step towards building a Viksit Bharat. He said this during the Bavaliyali Dham program related to the Bhargavad Samaj of Gujarat through a video message. The government has provided tap water supply to over 15.52 crore rural households in the country so far under the Jal Jeevan Mission. This was informed by Union Jal Shakti Minister C.R. Patel in his response to the discussion on the demands for grants related to his ministry in Lok Sabha. The government has said that India is moving fast to become a TB-free nation this year. Minister of State for Health Anupriya Patel said the incidence rate of TB in the country has shown a 17.7% decline from 237 per lakh population in 2015 to 195 per lakh population in 2023. Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal has called for collective commitment from the government and the IT sector to achieve a $450 billion in services export target. The Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority has notified regulations for the operationalization of the Unified Pension Scheme.